Oxygen or lambda sensors are used to measure the amount of oxygen molecules present in the exhaust gas. These readings are used by the ECM to identify if the engine is running on lean or rich fuel condition. Symptoms of bad oxygen or lambda sensors. 1. When the oxygen sensor in your car starts to fail, it reads lean fuel condition even if the condition is rich. This causes ECM to inject more fuel into the engine to compensate for the lean fuel condition. This excess fuel leaves the engine unburned, causing fuel smell around the car. 2. As mentioned before, when the sensor starts to fail, more fuel will be injected and wasted. This causes your engine to lose its regular gas mileage. 3. When the sensor fails, more unburned carbon will be produced. This unburned carbon will be accumulated in the catalytic converter, thus blocking it. In some cases, the excess unburnt fuel can overheat the catalytic converter and cause a melt. 4. A failing oxygen sensor can result in excess unburnt fuel. This unburnt fuel comes out of the exhaust as black smoke, or if the fuel is flooded, may cause fuel vapor to escape the tailpipe. 5. As a failing oxygen makes the fuel mixture even rich, more harmful gases escapes the exhaust pipe. You may fail your car's emission test. 6. A bad or failing oxygen sensor can alter the air-fuel ratios and timing parameters. This may affect the engine performance. Your engine may run rough or idle badly. 7. Newer cars come with advanced feedback systems and continuously monitor each sensor if they are working inside the prescribed range. When the sensor starts to fail, the driver will be informed by a check engine light on the dashboard.